Damps. Damps.
Razor Ramon swag.
Yeah.
But Razor Ramon.
Ramon. Razor Ramon.
See, I got my Razor Ramon. I'm like, Ric Flair dripping.
Let's be realistic for a minute. Am I cooking, huh? Let me take a look at this, huh? Is this what's happening in profession? Woo!
Bruh, I'm out here looking like young KRS-One.
Let's battle and see who headlines. Instead of flow for flow, let's go show for show. Toe for toe, yo, you better act like you know.
Damps. Damps.
Okay, easy questions, easy answers. Everybody's asking, commenting on my Manweave tutorial, asking me how much are hair units. So let's break this down. There's three types, the main types that I know of. There's the type where you lay the hair directly across the head. That's usually the 360 with the wave unit that people put on top. With the no stocking cap, that is anywhere from $200 to $350, depending. Some people even go below 200 and charge $150 to $300 or $250, something like that, something in that ballpark. The second unit you have is the sweat durable unit. That lasts a little bit longer. The first unit I just mentioned to you lasts 1 to 4 weeks approximately. This unit will last you 4 to 6. It has a layer, it has a base layer, so that's what helps it last a little bit longer. Those units go anywhere from $350 to, I would say, $500, $450 maybe. And that again lasts 4 to 6 weeks. I'm speaking in Canadian dollars, I would like to say. But American, it could be the same, I don't know. The premium units that last you, and these are the ones I pretty much do. I don't really do the other units just because they don't last long. I did it for a tutorial, but yeah, that's the only reason I did it. These have a base in them, they're made units. This overhead is a little more. You're putting up money to give somebody hair as opposed to the other ones that don't really cost you much to do. And this one lasts you 3+ months. This could last you a year even, depending on the quality of the make and how well you take care of it. These units that have a base, these units cost you, American, I've seen anywhere $650 and up, Canadian $850 and up, and well into the thousands depending on the quality of hair that you choose to get. Even the longer lasting units you have to take off every 2 to 4 weeks. Likely 2, I always recommend taking it off every 2 weeks just to clean your scalp and clean the base of the unit. If you guys need units, send me a message. I don't have them up on my shop yet, but I can get you high quality premium units. So if you need that, just send me a message, Instagram, Facebook, dampscompany.com, hairbychoice.com. Any of those, send me a message. With the longer lasting units, you can shower in them, you can swim in them, you can do a bunch, you can live your life in them. The other ones that I mentioned, the cheaper ones, the 1 to 4 weeks and the 4 to 6 weeks, you can't get wet. 4 to 6 weeks is a little more sweat durable, but otherwise you can't get wet. These ones are made for you to live in. But again, you still have to take it off every 2 weeks to clean. You have to clean yourself guys. Super important. So I thought it was important to let you guys know how much the units cost because, I mean, it's like one of the #1 questions. Everybody's prices fluctuate, but for the most part, if you're gonna get a longer lasting unit, you're gonna pay for it because there's upfront costs with it. And depending on the quality of hair, that unit alone, just for me to get, depending on who I get it from, it cost me hundreds of dollars. With that being said, you make the choice, whatever you want. Now I want to talk about me, okay guys? We've gotten some disturbing news lately. I don't really want to talk about it, but we're oppressed with adversity right now, and we have to make things happen really fast. Why I'm gonna stop buying these freaking barber chairs. Like, I have some really nice barber chairs, okay? Don't get it twisted. Like, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. I have even more than this. This is beautiful. But the reason I'm done buying these is because they are so heavy, it does not make any sense. It is so freaking heavy. Like, I wouldn't even bother taking it off of that trolley. Honestly, that has been there for so long because first, we have nowhere else to put it. Second, it's just too heavy to move. It's like you don't even want to touch it. Look guys, I've been talking about it for so long. We are moving. That was the adversity I was speaking on before. I don't know where yet. I just got some crazy news and we have to move forward. We have to move on. We're going to the street, you know? We're gonna be on the street and there's so much benefits to the street, but we've done so well in here that it's just like, why? Why would I go to the street? More people will see us, understand, but the internet is so much more powerful than all of this. All of what you see on the street, the internet is much more powerful. So for us right now, it's about combining the two, the internet and the street, and creating an empire. Straight up, straight up. Right now I'm pacing because I have no idea what we're gonna do. We have to move and we have to move ASAP. What comes with moving is you have to build a team, have to cough up more money for rent, do a lot of things that aren't necessarily fun, including move. Get a designer, change the business plan, everything. Everything needs to change, everything needs to go. The social media needs to be cleaned up. I'm just not ready to move yet. I'm just in here pacing and I'm trying to game plan and I can't really focus because we have a timeline and it's a very short timeline and we have to make things happen now. How good are we at working under pressure? And we will see that over the course of the next few months. Do we fold under pressure or are we gonna get through it and create something new of Damps? And that is what I'm nervous about right now is what if we don't create anything with Damps? What if Damps is just done? So we went from Balla's life, we're on Barber life, and we're trying to fix Barber life right now. Like I have all this motivational stuff around me. I have the growth curve of what we've done in here. And we're in such a good spot and we have to leave. And then I look down and I see how I'm inspiring the man of today. And you know what? Everybody's taken this book and read something in it. So I'm making better men out there. For all you women who are watching, I'm making better men out there. I bet you won't go to any other barbershop in the world and find this book. But anyways, guys, we have to move and we've been about hustling Damps. You've seen all our stuff, man. Like, or if this is your first time watching, 25/8. We just got a bunch of stuff around here. That's motivational. The only barbershop in the world that forces you to wear Crocs, and we still don't got a collab. I mean, we've been about this and we've been doing this, and right now we can't stop. Like we even got 25/8 written on the sleeve. You know, you can't see it, but the bread team. We are the bread team. Just working under pressure like this is so not hype. Not hype. You gotta come up with money fast, you gotta drop money fast, and you gotta put all your faith into your vision, even though it is unclear and you have no idea. You just got blindsided, basically. And I will talk about that story at some point in the future, but right now it's too fresh, it's an open wound, okay? And it doesn't feel good, and I don't like talking about it. I wanted to share this because it's good to express yourself, but we gotta move fast, and I don't know how fast we can actually move. So stress levels on 1,000 right now. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. If you're already subscribed, you're the best. And you've been supported and you've been buying our stuff. All this stuff, beautiful stuff. Then let me know and maybe we'll do a giveaway soon. In the meantime, I gotta map this out right now and bro, I gotta build a team. How the hell do you find barbers? How do you find a new location? How do you do anything in this game, bro? How? Take crumbs, make bread. And hopefully I'm in a better mindset for the next video.
Damps.